judgmental day where everybody will be giving all their track records of whatever they have done. It is day 3 of Ramzan, and as I said, I'm gonna learn Quran this time very clearly by all the context wise. So, and I also said कि जब भी मुझे एक powerful verse मिलेगा तो I'm gonna make reel out of it. So I have found one. Let me just translate it as it is before giving any explanation. Righteousness is not that you turn your faces toward the east or the west, but true righteousness is in one who believes in Allah, the last day, the angels, the book, and the prophets, and gives wealth in spite of love for it to relatives, orphans, the needy, the traveler, those who ask for help, and for freeing slaves, and who establishes prayer and gives zakat, those who fulfill their promise when they promise, and those who are patient in poverty and hardship and during battle, those who are the ones being true, and it is those who are the righteous. लुक हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज़ कि अल्लाह हमसे ये बोल रहा है कि नो मैटर वेर एवर यू फेस योर सेल्फ टू वेस्ट और ईस्ट फॉर प्रेइंग, उससे पहले तुम्हें एक अच्छा इंसान होना ज़रूरी है. मतलब एक अच्छा इंसान वही है जो इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करता है, ओबे करता है. वो चीज़ें क्या है? फर्स्ट इज़ वन हु बिलीव्स इन अल्लाह. He should be believing in Almighty. He should be believing in the last day, that is judgmental day, where everybody will be giving all their track records of whatever they have done, and Allah will be making judgment of all those. The angels, the book, that is Quran for us, the ummati of Prophet, that is Quran, the book, and the prophets, and gives wealth. इन स्पाइट ऑफ लव फॉर इट मीन्स अगर तुम्हें उस दौलत से प्यार भी हो, उस वेल्थ से प्यार होते हुआ भी, अगर इफ़ यू आर डोनेटिंग इट, इफ़ यू आर गिविंग इट, इफ़ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग इट टू योर रिलेटिव्स, ऑर्फन्स, द नीडी वंस, द ट्रैवलर, दोज हु आस्क फॉर हेल्प, एंड फॉर फ्रीइंग स्लेव्स, अगर कोई गुलाम है उसको आज़ाद करने में तुम्हें अपना वेल्थ लगाने की ज़रूरत है, अगर तुम वो लगा रहे हो, देन यू आर द राइट पर्सन. एंड हु एस्टैब्लिशेस प्रेयर, who prays, who obeys the Allah's orders, who gives zakat. Zakat is kind of donations. Fulfill their promise when they promise, means who keeps their promise, जो वादा करके उसको निभा रहा है, even he is the right person. And those who are patient in poverty, hardship and during battle, जब उससे मुसीबत हो, जब उससे मुसीबत आ रही है, जब वो गरीबी में हो या फिर वो किसी जंग में हो, तब भी अगर उसके पास सब्र है, पेशेंस है, तो even he is the right person. Those are the ones who have been true, and it is those who are the righteous. This is what I found very beautiful about this verse, and it was really important for all of you to hear it.